Hi everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make some delicious creamy egg and ham roll-ups for Easter. Here you can see the ingredients, but you'll find the full list in the description below. First, let's boil some eggs in salted water for about 6 minutes. Grate the eggs using a cheese grater. We'll need 100 grams of butter, a pinch of salt. Add the grated eggs to the butter. Then, add 100 grams of cream cheese to make it nice and creamy. Two teaspoons of mustard. Mix everything well. It'll taste even better with a bit of ground black pepper, but only add it if no small kids will be eating it. Now, fill the egg spread into thin slices of ham. I like to pipe it in from a bag to make it even, but you can use a spoon as well. Then gently roll up the ham. You can make a version for your vegetarian guests using cheese slices instead. Serve with fresh veggies and homemade bread. And for the adults, don't forget a dollop of classic horseradish cream on the side. And don't forget to make some funny and cute Easter decorations from eggs. Wishing you a lovely Easter and bon appetit. Leave me a like if you love Easter dishes. Please support my channel by subscribing. Stay tuned. I'll be back with more easy recipes.